Your hybrid electric vehicle is equipped with an Audible Pedestrian Warning System that uses distinct sounds to alert pedestrians that your vehicle is approaching. An in-vehicle sound synthesizer uses two external speakers, one in the front of the vehicle and one in the rear. The system is active anytime the vehicle is not in park, stopped, or traveling at lower speeds. Depending on the selected gear, the system activates the corresponding speaker based on the intended direction of travel. In addition, the vehicle speed will vary the relative volume of the alert. The system is active when driving in electric mode only. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.